All right, guys. So this is how I implement the sign in functionality and then the URL. So this URL will be consumed by both the admin and then a user or an employee because admin also have to sign in for work. So I implement a function called sign in. I have a schema class of Pydantic base model class which takes the user ID and then the action. So the action normally here is login and log out. So that's what I'm defining. That's what I defined. Then I have a function called signing on my attendance.py in my repository folder. So let's look at that function. So this is the sign in function on my attendance.py. So I'm expecting the create attendance parameters on the schema, and then I check out today's date. So what I'm doing is that I'm featuring all the attendance if the user has already logged in today. So what I do is I check if the user has already logged in today. If so, then I raise an exception that's already signed in, or if not, I come here and then save the login into the database as through the sign in function. All right, so then we'll move on to the sign out functionality. But before then, let's look at the URL. So on my Swagger UI, this is the request. This is the request URL. It's a post request. User attendance sign in, and then it's for both admin, so admin have it, and then a user also has it. Okay,